Alright, so this is the programming assignment for Bailey, Brady, and Connor. First up, we're going to run part 1 where we just send a message that's too big for the MTU, meaning we split it into 2 packets. So host 1 to router A does the first half of the packet, router A to host 2 sends finishes off the first half, and then the other 2 messages below that show off the second half being sent, and we've sent both packets, which does part 1. And then up next we have part 2, where we have to handle fragmentation and reassembly at the very end. So up in here, these are messages showing the fragmentation. Each time we print out the MTU value just to show that we have to fragment for that size of the MTU. After each fragment is received, it's put into a buffer at the end and then reassembled. The reassembly message is printed at the very bottom below host 1 ending, just to show that it was received by the server and reassembled successfully. And then we have part 3 where we have to take a specific path between all the hosts. So running part 3, if we scroll up, we should see the start of sending host
from host 1 to host 3.
Host 1 to host 3. The messages get jumbled up due to the threading, but if you look at the individual print statements, you can follow the path and see that it meets the requirements.
1 to A, A to B, B is then sent to D, and D sends to host 3. You can see that right here. Host 3 received message from host 1 to host 3, and then trying to follow the host 2 route. It's sent here, and then we should see, here we go. Host 2 to A, from 2 to 4. It's forwarded. A to C, C to D, and then D sends it to host 4. So at the bottom here we see host 4 received packet, this message from host 2 to host 4. Also printing out different things like the offset, the fragment packet, flag, destination address, stuff like that. Everything?
I think that's good.
Cool.